Good morning, everyone. Meet me again, Fauzi, at this international conference. First, let me introduce myself. Fauzi Shanipranto, a student majoring in geography at the State University of Samara. As asked, why do you like geography? To reason I like geography is that I want to study natural phenomena in a more depth, including the process of the information to the application in the life around that. Such as the study of the phenomenon of climate change. Climate change, or commonly known as climate change, becomes a major threat to humanity on this earth. By definition, a change in the physical condition of the Earth's atmosphere, among other, temperature and distribution of rainfall that carries far-reaching implications for various sectors of human life. One of the main causes of this phenomenon is global warming, which causes the temperature on Earth to become hot, raising global temperature and impacting cables at the North and South Poles that are melting and pushing up sea level, causing part of the world to be filled with water overflow and the natural of the possibility of drowning. In some parts of the world there has been a temperature rise between 1.4 Celsius to 5.8 Celsius and a temperature rise of 4 Celsius has occurred in Alaska, Siberia, and most of Canada. Even in New York City, the temperature has reached 14 Celsius. In Manhattan, when the temperature was still 10 Celsius in July 20, but reached 18 Celsius in January 21 Celsius. It also experienced our country week in fact as the largest Islamic nation in the world, which has resulted in changes to the coastline over this incident. Sudafed explained some coastal areas of Indonesia have shown a decrease in land level around subsided rainfall 1 till 10 centimeters per year. In fact, the same place decrease in the face of the storm reaches 5 until 1 centimeter per year. It is also experienced by our country, which in fact is the largest Islamic nation in the world, which has resulted in changes to the coastline over this incident. So the fact explains some coastal areas of Indonesia have shown a decrease in land level or land subsided rainfall 1 to 10 centimeters per year. In fact, in some places, the decrease in the face of the soil reaches 15 to 20 per year. But in general, the crop limit from 1 to 10 centimeters per year is correlated with agglomeration areas or coastal areas where many people. According to the survey, this is an alarming onslaught of skyscraper construction, such as buildings, shopping centers, industrial estates, and so on, especially those in metropolitan areas. Then the human factor is also the causes of the soil-based decrease significantly, namely related to large and uncontrolled groundwater consumption and estimated 70% of the population clean water net one, 90% of the population clean water net, and 90% of the industrial water needs come from the land. In everyday life, the pattern of groundwater use is often encountered in the use of digging wells and drilling wells carried out by residents. When the process of pumping groundwater, the ground level slowly becomes down. The local it carries is so heavy that the ground surface slowly shrinks and the soil is not able to carry out its function of determining from the well explanation that the author believes that the event of land subsidence is real. The fact in the field become reinforcement to understand as related to repression of the event. Natural factors are not only the main factor causing the event, but human factors also play a role as a driver of the above event. But unfortunately, most people in Indonesia are less aware of the problem based on the results of survey conducted by a global community. Hugo Lester said 80% of Indonesians believe that human behavior is not the cause of climate change today. Indonesia is ranked first as a country that denies the occurrence of anthropogenic climate change from 23 countries conducted with the survey. Therefore, there needs to be strong integration between the government and the community on needs to make hand to solve the above problem with real effort before the problem threatens human life. Especially in Indonesia, the event has already happened, but at least we have anticipated to face the problem by reducing the rate of acceleration.